In front of me is POCO M8 and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. Start by holding your search bar and waiting for this pop-up to show. When it does, tap on remove and wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, my search bar was successfully deleted. If you wanna restore it though, you can always do that by holding your display and waiting for all of those options at the bottom. After they will appear, hit Widgets between Effects and Settings. Now you need to scroll to find Google section, and when you do, hold search bar widget. This one. Now place it wherever you want to, and when you finished, let go. Then hit done at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!